Let's do some more problems. Read the question. Find the decimal form of 1 by 9. Fastly tell me all the steps. All of you know the steps, isn't it? Yes. The first step is writing 1 by 9 as itself. Correct. Multiplying numerator and denominator with 10 and splitting it as 1 by 10 into 10 by 9. Okay. And the next step is writing 1 by 10 as itself and writing 10 by 9 as 1 plus 1 by 9. We got it by dividing 10 by 9, isn't it? So we are replacing 10 by 9 with this 1 plus 1 by 9. And we get by applying distributive property as 1 by 10 plus 1 by 90, isn't it? Then tell me the next step. Yes. Writing 1 by 9 as itself and bringing 1 by 10 to LHS. We get 1 by 9 minus 1 by 10 equal to 1 by 90. Very good. And so from this step we got an equation as 1 by 9 minus 1 by 10 equal to 1 by 90. And we consider it as equation number 1. So tell me the second step. Okay, writing 1 by 9 as itself. Then multiplying with 100 and splitting it as, yes, 1 by 100 into 100 by 9. I am again repeating, this step is very important and always remember this splitting. Okay. And the next step is 1 by 9 equal to, what do you write? Yes, 1 by 100 into 11 plus 1 by 9. How this 11 plus 1 by 9? Yes, dividing 100 by 9, we get 11 plus 1 by 9. And so we are applying which property? Distributive property. And we get the first term as 11 by 100 and the next term as 1 by 900. So tell me the last step. Yes, 1 by 9 minus 11 by 100 equal to 1 by 900. Very good. So from step 2, we get the second equation as 1 by 9 minus 11 by 100 equal to 1 by 900 and we consider it as equation number 2. Now let's see step 3. Tell me. Yes, writing 1 by 9 as itself and multiplying with, yes, 1000 and splitting it as, correct, 1 by 1000 into 1000 by 9, isn't it? Then, yes, writing 1 by 9 again and replacing, tell me, which number by which number? Correct, 1000 by 9 with 111 plus 1 by 9. How does this 111 plus 1 by 9 come? Yes, by dividing 1000 by 9, we get 111 plus 1 by 9. Again, we are applying which property? Yes, associative property. And we get it as 111 by 1000 plus 1 by 9000. And we are bringing 111 by 1000 to LHS. And on rearranging, we get the final equation of step 3 as 1 by 9 minus 111 by 1000 equal to 1 by 9000 and we consider it as equation 3. Very good. Now looking at this table, can you tell me the decimal form of 1 by 9? Okay, before that tell me 1 by 9 is getting closer and closer to which fraction? Yes. Here 1 by 10, 11 by 100, 111 by 1000, all these are getting closer and closer to 1 by 9. That is 0 0.1, 0 0.11, 0 0.111, etc. is getting closer and closer to 1 by 9. Now tell me the decimal form of 1 by 9. Correct. It's 0 0.111, etc. Very good. Let's do another problem. Okay. Find the decimal form of 1 by 11. Tell me the first step. Yes, writing 1 by 11. Next is multiplying with 10. Very good. Then Splitting it as 1 by 10 into 10 by 11. Okay, very good. Now tell me the next step. See, look at the fraction 10 by 11 very carefully and tell me the answer. What are you going to do now? See, here I write 1 by 10 into 0 plus 10 by 11. Why? Yes, 10 is smaller than 11. So, we cannot divide and we write in quotient 0 and we get remainder 10 itself, isn't it? So, we can write it as 10 by 11 equal to 0 plus 10 by 11. Okay. If you have any doubt, do it. Divide 10 by 11 and you will get the answer. So, we got the next step. Tell me the next. Yes, applying distributive property and we get 0 by 10 plus 10 by 11. And the next is 1 by 11. Then tell me. Correct. Minus 0 by 10 equal to 10 by 110. So, after step 1, we get an equation as 1 by 11 minus 0 by 10 equal to 10 by 110. And we write it as equation number 1. Now tell me step 2. Okay, 1 by 11. Yeah, multiplying with 100. Splitting it as 1 by 100 into 100 by 11. And then writing 1 by 100 as itself and replacing 100 by 11 with 9 plus 1 by 11. So, all of you must divide 100 by 11 and verify your answer with this. Then, applying which property? Distributive property. And we get 9 by 100 plus 1 by 100 and 1100. And again, on rearranging, we get the final equation of step 2 as 1 by 11 minus 9 by 100 equal to 1 by 1100 and we consider it as equation number 2. Now tell me the third step. Yes, 1 by 11 multiplying with 1000 and splitting it as 1 by 1000 into 1000 by 11. Very good. Then replacing 1000 by 11 with 90 plus 1 by 11 as 1000 by 11 equal to 90 plus 1 by 11, isn't it? Now applying distributive property and we get two terms as 90 by 1000 plus 1 by 11,000. And on rearranging, we get an equation after step 3 as 1 by 11 minus 90 by 1000 equal to 1 by 11,000 and we consider it as equation number 3. So, if you are not getting the decimal form, then you can go to more and more steps. Here we are doing step 4 also. So, tell me the first step. Multiplying numerator and denominator with 10,000. And we split it as 1 by 10,000 into 10,000 by 11. Very good. And then we write it as 1 by 10,000 into 909 plus 1 by 11. You will get this answer by simply dividing 10,000 by 11. Okay. Now applying distributive property and we write it as 909 by 10,000 plus 1 by 11,000. On rearranging LHS and RHS, what we get? 1 by 11 minus 909 by 10,000 equal to 1 by 11,000. So after step 4, we get an equation as 1 by 11 minus 909 by 10,000 equal to 1 by 11,000. And we consider this as equation number 4. Now, by analyzing each of the factor, what we can say? The fractions 0 by 10, 9 by 100, 90 by 1000, 909 by 10,000, all these are getting closer and closer to 1 by 11, isn't it? That is 0.09, 0.090, 0.0909, etc. is getting closer and closer to 1 by 11. Now tell me the decimal form of 1 by 11. Correct. It's 0.090909, etc., isn't it? So I hope all of you understood the steps we gone through to reach this. Now you have some homework questions. All of you must do this by going through the steps twice or thrice and do it correctly.
So, in this class, we have learned the decimal form of 1 by 6, 1 by 9, 1 by 11 and so on. And I have given you some more problems. All of you do it and we will discuss it in the next class. Thank you.